Hello, everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of Python? In just 1 hour, we're going to demystify this incredibly powerful and versatile programming language. I know what you might be thinking. 1 hour? Can I really learn Python that fast? Well, our goal isn't to make you an expert in 60 minutes, but to give you a solid foundation, ignite your curiosity, and equip you with the essential tools to start building your own Python projects immediately. Consider this your accelerated launchpad into Python programming, designed to be engaging, practical, and highly informative. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why Python? This isn't just another programming language, it's a global phenomenon. Python's popularity has exploded in recent years, and for very good reason. Its core strengths lie in its versatility and simplicity. Think about it. Python is the language behind some of the most advanced applications we use today. It powers everything from web development, think frameworks like Django and Flask that build robust websites, to data science, where it's the undisputed champion for analysis, visualization, and machine learning with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. If you're interested in artificial intelligence and deep learning, Python is your go-to language with frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. Beyond these high-profile applications, Python is also extensively used for automation, scripting, game development, and even desktop applications. This incredible breadth of application means that learning Python opens up a vast array of career opportunities and project possibilities for you, whether you're a junior developer looking to land your first job, a mid-level engineer aiming for promotion, or a senior architect exploring new paradigms. Its simplicity, characterized by a clean, readable syntax that often resembles plain English, makes it exceptionally easy to learn even if you're new to programming. This readability translates directly into faster development cycles and easier collaboration within teams, which is a massive advantage in any professional setting. Now, let's look at what we'll be covering in our action-packed hour. Our agenda is designed to give you a comprehensive yet concise overview of Python's essentials. First, we'll quickly go over setting up your environment. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds, and we'll ensure you have everything you need to start coding. We want you to be able to follow along and write your first lines of Python code right away. Next, we'll dive into core concepts, variables, and data types. These are the fundamental building blocks of any program. You'll learn how Python stores information, from simple numbers and text to more complex collections of data. Understanding these basics is crucial because they are the foundation upon which all more complex logic is built. We'll explore how Python handles different kinds of information and how you can manipulate them effectively. Following that, we'll explore control flow, decisions, and loops. This is where your programs come alive, learning to make choices and repeat actions based on conditions. Imagine giving your code the ability to think and act dynamically. That's what control flow is all about. We'll cover if statements for making decisions and for and while loops for repeating tasks, which are indispensable tools for automating processes and processing data. Then we'll move on to functions and modules, organizing code. As your programs grow, organization becomes paramount. Functions allow you to encapsulate reusable blocks of code, making your programs modular and easier to maintain. Modules, on the other hand, help you structure larger projects and leverage code written by others, accelerating your development process significantly. This is where you learn to write clean, efficient, and scalable code. Finally, we'll wrap things up with putting it all together. Next steps. We'll summarize the key takeaways from our session and, crucially, provide you with a clear roadmap for continuing your Python journey beyond this hour. We'll discuss resources, project ideas, and how to stay engaged with the vibrant Python community. Remember, this hour is just the beginning. It's about sparking that initial understanding and confidence. So take a deep breath, get ready to code, and let's unlock the power of Python together. Let's dive right into getting started with our environment setup.